GPD offers two blower motor options for 2014 to 2018 Dodge Ram models depending on whether the system has automatic temp climate control or not. Refer to GPD Tech Tip number 112 for more information on manual versus automatic climate controls. GPD Blower Motor 231-1692 is suited for 2014 to 2018 Dodge Ram models with a manual temperature control system. This blower motor requires a blower motor resistor 171-3189. GPD Blower Motor 231-1912 is suited for 2014 to 2018 Dodge Ram models with an automatic temperature control system. This blower motor does not require a blower motor resistor as it is designed to operate through pulse width modulation, PWM, which is controlled by the ECU. Thanks for watching. For more tech tips like this, visit gpdtechtips.com.